it's me Charity here at Lady Cookin' Luck on YouTube. And today I'm gonna be showing you how I make buffalo chicken. So I actually got this recipe from Alan's mom. She taught me how to make it. The only difference is I'm pretty sure she uses a different wing sauce than I do, but I couldn't find the one that she uses. So instead I used the one from Sweet Baby Ray's, which I will show you in a second. It's so easy to make and it turns out so good. You guys are gonna love this one. So give this video a like if you like it. Leave me some comments down below and I'll see you next time. Here's the video. So I already went ahead and seasoned my chicken with onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. After you season your chicken, the next part is pretty easy. You just take your piece of chicken, put it into some flour, and I already put a little salt and garlic powder into my flour just for extra seasoning. So dip your chicken in the flour, shake off the excess flour, and set your chicken on a separate plate. Do the rest to your other pieces of chicken. Next, heat up some oil in your frying pan. Give it a few seconds to heat up there, and then we're going to put our chicken in the pan and cook it completely until it's done, obviously. So now we're going to let the chicken cook, and in the meantime I'm going to get some water boiling for noodles and do whatever else I have to do. So I got my water boiling over here. Looks like it's taking a bubble bath. I got some shell noodles in there because we're going to have some garlic buttered noodles on the side. My chicken is popping. It's cooking. It's almost done, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. I don't have another pot for the spinach, so I put some spinach in a frying pan. I'm going to heat that up over there. I put some salt, garlic powder, and onion powder in that. Now in a separate pot, I put some butter. I would normally put a lot more butter, but I'm running out of butter, and I need the butter for my garlic noodles right now. So I put a little butter. I'm going to melt that down, and then I'm going to add the buffalo sauce in the pot with the butter. So the sauce I'm going to be using for this is Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. I'm just going to melt my butter down, and then I'm going to pour the wing sauce in there. I'm going to mix around the wing sauce with the butter. Chicken is looking good. I'm going to give that a few more minutes just to make it extra crispy. Now the next step is pretty simple. You're just going to take all your chicken and put it in the pot with the buffalo sauce. And then you're just basically going to mix it around so that the chicken is completely covered. Well, that's how Alan likes it. So here we've got some garlic buttered noodles, got a little spinach, and here is the buffalo chicken. Voila! Now I got this big mess to clean. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. How is it, Alan? It actually looks like you're really enjoying it. He's got his noodles all up in the buffalo sauce. He said it's really good. Is it? Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Mukbang?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, mukbang no, like snack.